Venturing south of Dunedin and leaving behind the sight, sound and smell of steam, we follow the Southerner intercity service to Gore. One of Gore's claims to fame is its brown trout fishing. The other is one of the town's best-kept secrets. Fleming's mill is the largest cereal producer in the Southern Hemisphere. Inside these walls is a stationary steam engine that, since 1938, has provided the mill with hot water, steam and electricity, and also a way to dispose of 2,000 tonnes of oat husks each year, producing a quarter of the mill's electricity needs. Not only does the mill produce good breakfast food, but it provides an ideal position to watch the Southerner as it pauses at Gore on its journey north. Semaphore signals and wooden signal boxes are still very much an active part of railroading here, but their days are certainly numbered.